Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create old face builder trend on TikTok with CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then to create the old face builder trend on TikTok, I'm going to use CapCut template. So I'm going to go to the templates menu right here, and then we're going to search for the old face builder trend. Make sure you have good internet connection to use the template. You can go to the search menu and then type in old face builder trend on TikTok like this. Alright, and there will be a lot of templates you can use from the CapCut, and then you just need to choose the template that you like. Okay, I'm going to scroll down to find out the good template for my video. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one guys, aged folder. Okay, I'm going to click on use template, and I'm going to replace the photo in this template with my own photo. Okay, I'm going to select photo from my gallery. For example, I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, and then I'm going to click on next. Alright, and let's see the final result. Okay, it looks good. And then you can change the tags if you want. Just go to the tags, and then you will be able to change the tags right here. If you want to edit the text, you just need to click on edit, and then you can change the color, change the font, and also the align. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it like that, and here you'll be able to replace it with another photo if you're not satisfied with your current photo. If you want to replace the photo with another photo, you can click on replace, and then you'll be able to crop the photo as well. Okay, like this. And then once you're done, you just need to click on the export button to save the video to your gallery. And I'm going to click on export without watermark, so the CapCut watermark will be removed from my video. Okay, and now it's done guys, and we'll be able to upload that video to our TikTok. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create old face builder trend on TikTok with CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.